Trivago Travel Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think Trivago sells hotel rooms, but you won't believe what happens next when you realize what it actually does. Trivago is a hotel price comparison engine that searches many booking sites to show available hotel prices in one place. The surprising truth is that Trivago can reveal hidden price differences for the same hotel room. Most people get this wrong. They assume Trivago handles the booking. In reality, it redirects you to other booking platforms. Trivago is best for travelers who want fast hotel price comparisons. The surprising truth is that comparing first can save hundreds. Subscribe for more honest travel site reviews that help you book smarter.